what's up, my peeps? What's up, guys? I want to share with you guys today my favorite smoothie, and it's a banana peanut butter smoothie, and it's so simple and absolutely delicious. And let me tell you, once you try it, you're gonna always reach for it. It's so simple, it's so quick, it's so fast. And yeah, these are the ingredients. So what you need some almond milk, honey, peanut butter, banana, and ice. That's it. And you just whip that bad boy up and it's absolutely delicious. I love it. Okay, let's make it. So let's get started, guys. So you get one regular size banana. I don't think it matters how big the banana is, but you know, I have like a medium sized banana. So you put one banana in. I'm putting one banana. You put your almond milk. Don't ask me for measurement or anything like that. You just put enough. Just enough almond milk. You know how to make a smoothie. Enough to see how much you want. Then you put your ice. You put your ice in. Got my ice in there. Then you're going to put your peanut butter. Right? You're going to get peanut butter. I'm using the peanut butter with the it's honey roasted. It has a lot of nuts in it. I love peanut butter. But I actually like peanut butter in my smoothie. That's a lot of peanut butter. It's going to be very peanut-y. I mean, you know, you put the amount of peanut butter that you want. For bananas, I think I'm going to probably need a little bit more almond milk. Then you put a little bit of honey. The honey is optional, but I like the flavor that it brings out for some reason. You know, it just gives it a nice little kind of a sweeter taste. And as you can see, I'm using my NutriBullet. I'm using my NutriBullet. And you put that bad boy here, my NutriBullet. And, you know, yeah. I think I'm going to need a little bit more milk. Almond milk. Let's see. And that's it, guys. Delicious. Yeah, that's enough for just me. That's actually too much. Alrighty. Let me tell you. Slap your mama. Okay, guys. I hope you guys try it. It's very good if you're a peanut butter person, banana person. So this is called peanut butter banana smoothie.